Hi yogis, my name is Sofia and for today I have prepared for you 5 asanas to prevent lower back pain. 1. Sphinx pose. Come and lie down on your belly. Your palms are in line with your face, your elbows are in line with your chest, elbows are parallel to each other. Legs are hip distance apart. Inhale, lift your chest. Engage your core. Look front. Push your shoulders away from the ears. You may also lift your elbows and breathe here. If this is too intense, lower the elbows. And breathe in and out through the nose. Then lower everything down with your next exhale. 2. Cat-cow. Come to the all fours in tabletop position. Shoulders are over the wrist, hips are over the knees. Inhale, open the chest, drop your belly, roll your shoulders away from the ears, look up. Exhale, round the spine, look between your thighs or down. Inhale, drop the belly, look up. Exhale, round the spine. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Come back to tabletop. 3. Malasana. Come to a yogic squat. Bring your hands in Namaste. Push your thighs away. With your next inhale, open to the right side. Exhale down. Hands together. Inhale, left side. Hands together. Let's continue. Right side. Hands together. Left side. Hands together. 4. Reclined pigeon. Lie down on your back. Lower back is flat on the mat. Hug your right knee and place your right ankle under the left knee and hug your left leg. Stretch your hamstrings. Shoulders are relaxed. You may stay here for a couple of minutes. And then place the left foot back down, right foot down. Put your left knee into your chest and place the left ankle under the right knee. Then hug the right leg. Breathe in and out through your nose. And then place the right foot back down, left foot down. 5. Supine twist. Lie down on your back. Knees are bent, feet are hip distance apart. Arms are at the shoulder level. Inhale, lean your knees to the right side. Twist your head to the left. Take a moment or two here. Inhale, come back straight, and exhale, knees to the left side, head to the right side. Inhale, come back straight, and hug your knees. Please feel free to hold this asana for even longer, but if you don't have much time, 5 asana every day for 5 minutes is completely fine. You will feel the benefits very fast, I hope. Please, if you like the video, thumbs up, comment, subscribe. I'm here for you. And see you next time on the mat. Namaste.